Benidorm bars are busiest you've ever seen. After the day in a rainstorm, Benidorm recovered. It's more or less typical weather. Every now and then we can still see some clouds in the sky, which is usual. We've just finished the orange alert and are slowly but surely going back to normal. But once the sun's out, this is how Benidorm bars are looking like. The Piccadilly packed up with people enjoying some nice sunshine. A lot of people are even red right now from the sun. Wow! I thought that was not possible already in autumn, but I guess, we were wrong. Plenty of people with some sun hats, sunglasses, enjoying the best day here in Benidorm. And look at this silver dollar. It cannot be busier than what it is right now, can it? Absolutely incredible, vivid, friendly atmosphere in this location. People are enjoying and celebrating that the sun's already back and going outside to sit down on a lovely warm terrace. Temperatures are not as high, though honestly it's not as hot. However, it's not cold either. It's around 20 to 23 degrees right now, and just enough for people feel like it is still summer, even though there's clouds every now and then. All the nearby places here on the British Street and surrounding streets are really packed. We can see plenty of people on the streets in general. All the businesses are open back again since we're not on alert any longer. The mobility scooter rentals here, the Easy Hire. This is one of the few that are renting scooters nowadays here in Benidorm. There is Easy Hire, there's Amigo 24, there is Butterfields, I think it's called, and there's many more places that do rent mobility vehicles for those who are in need when they're coming here on holidays or just temporary use. They even sell these if needed. Right next door, we have the Flash Hotel. This is adults recommended 4-star hotel, which usually is quite busy. It's Flash Terrace, which is like the kind of a bar, a huge open space, is always quite busy with people. They do put some entertainment here as well. It's just a lovely atmosphere where people can sit down, whether slightly towards the indoors or right here, right by the street, watch people pass by, just enjoy everything that this part of the town has to offer. It is slightly quieter, even though they do put some music and some shows and entertainment. Mostly it's live music. There's DJ sessions here. They're being prepared right now, I suppose. So many people are enjoying their best day out here. And it's warm. It's lovely. It's pleasant to be outside, especially after a couple of days of rain and really bad weather here. Well, having a day of sunshine when it's so warm on your skin, and it feels like it's still summer, even though it's not been like that for a while, but it's still great to be here outside. Let's see what's happening in other parts here in Benidorm. We are heading from here, from the Flash Hotel, which is the 4-star superior. We're heading towards the Calypso, the Uncle Ped's, and some more places here about and around. Calypso Hotel's terrace doesn't look that busy today. I guess that depending on the bar, there's different types of people who are going here, especially if it's like a proper bar, not a hotel's bar. It's going to be slightly more vivid as per se. Not all people are comfortable to go to the bars that are located inside of the hotels, just in case. They prefer their typical beloved bars here on the British Street and around it. Right next to the Explorers Club, even more vivid. Quite a bit of people out here, I have to say. And even though it's a shade part, it's not like a sunny part of the bar, but still there's quite a lot of people here. I guess even just simply seeing that there is a lovely weather, that there's sunshine, it's not raining any longer. I guess it makes a huge difference for when you decide whether you want to go out or not. plays a huge role. Probably that is why, because us locals, we tend to spend a whole lot of our time outdoors on the streets, anywhere in the nature, and not stay as much at home unless it's strictly needed. Riviera Terrace, oh my goodness, it is packed, you guys. Oh, look at this. This is like the most sunny terrace you'll find here. People who are coming here, they usually seek for sunshine whole day long. It's an incredible place. It has some loud music. There's always some football and some different types of sports games. They have special offers, happy hours on local mixers. It's just a great place to be. Honestly, not surprised. It is so packed up always. And the atmosphere here, well, you can see it for yourselves. This is the atmosphere that's here almost always in Riviera Hotel. Incredible place to enjoy on the sunshine. If you're seeking sun and some nice terrace, that's probably one of the few places where you could go. In front, we have slightly more shade, but not less busy. Uncle Pet's Bar, packed up as usual. People are working here non-stop, bringing buckets, drinks. Nearby, there's a snack place as well, so you can get like all in one. Probably they don't mind sharing the same terrace. They give each other work, honestly. One gets drinks, other has snacks, so people can just stay here and get all of it at once. Bucket deals, different types of shows. It's quite a big place, honestly, and people love it. For some reason, people love Uncle Pet's. Maybe it's the atmosphere, maybe it's the service, prices, or all in one in general. They have some lovely frozen cocktails as well, just for €5. That's as little as it costs. And this is the snack place. All at once, great place to be, and favorite for a lot of people out here. The British House, just starting, not open for a long time, just opened up a couple of weeks ago. Not too many people, though people are testing it out probably and watching and seeing. It always happens with new places. They start functioning some while after. Country Ribs, love this place. We have to try it out for you guys. We know we have to. So some evening we will go here and show it. They have specialties in hamburgers, salads, lasagna, pizzas, starting from 4:30. They're open in the evening. Usually they're open on midday as well in summer, but I guess now maybe it's just the evening time, but we can always show it to you guys. Right here next door, we have Clay Oven Indian Restaurant. Also love this place. Also open in the evenings. We also have it pending for us to show it to you guys. So maybe some videos in the future will not do the typical Spanish menu. We'll do some of the famous restaurants a lot of people know and love. Or those of you who've not been there before and you were wondering where to go, you'll have plenty of different types of restaurants available for you here on the channel. More typical Spanish menus coming up, more tapas coming up as well this winter, so don't worry, there's going to be a lot of restaurant and food content for you to check if you're curious and you're seeking for some nice places to where to go and food to try. Some barrels, is this new? Or they've refurbished it? I've never seen it before. It's called Barrels. It has barrels, obviously. Ice cold beer, live music, cocktails. Ooh, that's not bad. And it's quite vivid inside. Ooh, that's nice. Some kebab places, chicken, kebab, pizza places. Mateo's Bar, a signature bar. Not too many people now. I think they've opened up just recently, like a few hours ago. Not a new place, iconic place. It has a lot of pictures inside that have something to do with the Benidorm series, the television show. It's just like a memory of those who loved that show. They can come here and just enjoy. And remember it, have a laugh, make some pictures. The other part of the British street, the AKA the square, the area where there's more nightclubs and like night pubs already. Also quite busy, quite a lot of people in the crowd. They have a lot of cocktails, a lot of bucket deals, a lot of different types of offers and discounts for groups. And actually it's a very nicely priced location. They have some good music, They have very good service. Overall, 15 euros pitcher cocktails. Oh, that's interesting. Day and night offers. The Hotel California here. Quite a lot of people. See, tourists are having their best time. Even locals, even us. It's so nice to be outside. The sun's shining. It's not burning anymore, but it's shining and it's warm. It's pleasant to stay outside. It is incredible. People are having a blast today. I get it after 2 days of not a very nice weather. Now everyone went outside to enjoy just in case it would rain back again, which it might at some point, but hey. Meanwhile, we're happy. We're here. There's some clouds on the horizon, but people are still enjoying everything that this area has to offer. Some people probably are even at the beach right now, getting some nice fresh tan. Western Saloon, it's not even nighttime yet. It's like, what is it? Evening, early evening time right now. And this is how the Western Saloon is looking like. Usually it's really packed up and really vivid in the evening, past 7 p.m., past 8 p.m. probably. Now it's not even the case. The sun's still quite high up in the sky, but it is already quite busy, and they're preparing the stage for today's performances. See, there's already someone with live music, with guitar, electric guitar probably, right there on stage. So entertainment is on. Good weather, check. Plenty of people on the streets, check. Incredible atmosphere in Benidorm town. More kebab places, pizza places, food to take away. The wild duck here. What are these pictures? What is it like? Popular cocktails were non-drinkers, so I have no idea what it is, but I've seen in quite a lot of places. Are these like specific cocktails or some like Smirnoff cocktails or whatever it is, like cider cocktails, mixes? What is this? Because I've seen it in several places and we never know, but these have some strange colors. John and Joseph's here nearby, you know, we love this place. It has very good food, very fast, really fast working service, trust me. They work so fast. I've never ever seen anyone work this fast to get you served with a really nice quality food. That's incredible. I'm not sure how many workers and cooks they have and chefs and in general people out there, but service is pretty incredible and the food is of very good quality. So a lot of people are heading there because it's worth it, definitely. Rio Hotel here, mobility scooter invasion is happening back again. I guess it is because more and more people of slightly advanced age are traveling now when there's less heat, when it's slightly less expensive, not that it's cheap, but slightly less expensive than what it was in peak summer months. More and more people are traveling here to spend quite a couple of weeks more if possible. So there's plenty of these types of mobility scooters everywhere on the streets, and that's something typical and logical, and a lot of people do know it. There's less of them in summer, more outside of the peak summer season. The Waikiki bar, look at that. Look at how many cocktails they're bringing and how many things they're bringing. This is insane. It's so busy everywhere we go. Every single place that we've seen today, with an exception maybe of one, which was Calypso Terrace of the hotel, with an exception of that one, all the rest of the places are pretty packed with people. And this is the good part of it. Even though it is mid-October already, it's great to be here. The weather is way nicer than what it used to be a couple of days ago. And overall, it's just pleasant to stay outside, to discover, to explore, grab some nice food, sing some karaoke. You know, it's just a whole lot of positivity here on the streets. It's nice, quiet, lovely holiday for a lot of people. Thank you for accompanying us on today's short walk down the British street in Benidorm, as packed as it never was after 2 days of rain.